Wait, Chirpy. Don't go too far. Where am I? I want to go home. Hey, are you okay? My name is Pip the Sparrow. Who are you? It's okay, I'm right here. Guys, come here. Oh, he looks scared. We should help him.
This is our home, and now you can stay here tonight.
We'll keep you safe. Here, have some berries and seeds. And, I found this crumb. Thank you, everyone. Today, we'll help you find your home.
Really?
Yes. But we have to be brave. You're getting stronger, Chirpy. Yes. Try again. I know this place, it's my home.
We were so worried.
I missed you so much. Thank you for watching.